Good evening. My name is Daryl Poe, and this assignment is Journal Prompt number 5 for EDOL 721. First, I must applaud Simon Sinek for his extraordinarily inspiring presentation. Simon Sinek premise on why some leaders are able to inspire and why some are not is overwhelming, especially when he articulated that every organization knows why what they do 100% of the time. Some organization know how they do it, and very, very few organizations know why what they do. Their purpose, cause, belief, or the question, why do your organization exist? Second, Simon Sinek's presentation was so mesmerizing that I was consciously compelled to reflect and identify a few helpful insights. I was able to identify 3 insights that are beneficial to furthering my growth as a transformational leader. Insight number 1. All inspired leaders act, think, and communicate from inside out. Simon Sinek example of Apple, Dr. Martin Luther King, and the Wright brothers was brilliant and thought-provoking. The majority of Americans are able to relate and recall the trials, failures, and successes of these monumental examples. Insight number 2. People don't buy what you do. People buy why you do it. The old adage, action speaks louder than words, is what comes to mind. Insight number 3. What you do serves as proof for what you believe. Essentially, your passion validates your work. Period. Third, Simon Sinek opened my eyes from the inside out, speaking hyperbole. He enabled me to see why my TCP has been so successful. My TCP is successful because I wasn't doing it for self-gratification or fame, but rather I was doing it from what Simon Sinek has articulated as the why zone. I was doing it for my organization and its customers. I now get the why that Simon Sinek so passionately pontificated about in his presentation. The why for my TCP is to find a much better way by leveraging technology that enables my organization to efficiently deliver service to customers throughout the military community. Furthermore, Simon Sinek enabled me to reflect on my TCP and identify important lessons learned. I was able to identify 2 lessons learned. Lesson learned number 1. Help members of my TCLT to understand the why of the TCP. Lesson learned number 2. Identify and communicate areas of opportunity for TCP expansion in a timely and organized manner. In conclusion, I now get it. The it that Simon Sinek is talking about is the why, our rationale, our existence for doing what we do. If we are able to line up our why with actions perceived by others as being authentic and passionate, we can then stimulate people's curiosity to investigate our product. This concludes my presentation.